The society that we live in has high regards for academic excellence. Those who fail to meet up to the expectations often face harsh criticism, which creates self doubt about their abilities and intelligence. With a cutthroat competitive world out there, students are constantly pushed to the edge by their parents to build a bright future and succeed in life. However, the enormous pressure on the students not only hinders their growth and learning but leads to increased stress and anxiety. The future of a child is the biggest concern to a parent, since the educational institutes in our country are always on the lookout for the brightest and the best students to maintain their reputation. Parents feel compelled to raise the bar too high for their child to match up to the standards. Parents nowadays are too concerned about how the world would perceive their child, which in turn results in parental pressure. Hey friends, I hope you are having a fabulous day, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Simran and I hope you find my content amusing enough to consider subscribing to my channel. And you all know that 10th and 12th results are on the corner. You don't know when they are gonna come, but they are on the corner. Now, some of you must be confused what you want to take up for your stream, and those who know what they want, maybe your parents must be suggesting you something else. That's because they want you to have a successful life, they want you to have a effortless life, and you want to go after your passion, you want to go after your interest, you are all ready and set to work 101% very hard, right? Let's talk more about it in detail. Why do you think your parents want you to take up any particular stream? Why? Reason number one, maybe they had that one dream with them which they couldn't cherish, and that's the reason they want you to take up that stream. Reason number two, earning. They want you to earn through a well-known stream for more effortless and for a easy, for struggle-free life. But that's not what you want, right? You are all ready and set to work 100% harder and harder and harder to reach your goal, right? Reason number three is comparison. My friend's child is rocking in that stream, so you will do the same. But remember guys, you are not that friend's child. You are your parents' child. You are different from their friend's child because you have your own passion, you have your own interest. Sharma ji ka beta is interested in engineering, so let him do engineering. You are interested in photography, so go and do that rather than going what Sharma ji ka beta is doing, right? Are you getting my point? Moving on to point number 4, which is our reason number 4. I have been doing great in this stream, so my child is gonna do the same. And listen to me guys, this is just out of their concern. This is just out of their love for you. They are not wrong. It's just that they are worried about you. Parents have to understand your interest and they can't select your stream because you know where you stand, you know your capability, you know what you can do, what you are interested in. And they won't come to know unless and until you go and speak up for your own self. Are you getting it? Right? Now, here, both of you have to understand each other, and maybe, one of you has to sacrifice it. This is for those who are confused, those who are not sure about their stream. Here I have 5 points with me which you need to follow along to clear your confusion. Let's begin with point number 1. Do your complete research. Here, complete research means that you need to find which university you wanna go in and what scores do you need for the same. Pen it down, make a detailed flow chart for yourself, study it well. Point number 2, consult your teacher. Yes, you heard it right, your teacher. Because eventually they come to know what you are good at, what capability you hold in your own self, and that's because they have a huge amount of experience, huge years of experience with them. And whatever they are going to tell you is just their suggestions, their point of view. Okay. Point number 3 is talk to your sister if you are comfortable talking to her. Talk to your brother if you are comfortable talking to him. Talk to your uncle, auntie, chacha, chachi, nana, nani. Talk to any one of them. But make sure you are talking to an elderly person. Discuss these 2 points with them. Now point number 4. Talk to your seniors. Learn from their experience. Ask their regrets. What they regret in their life. Learn from their regrets and make sure that you should not repeat the same mistakes what they did. And for point number 5, you need to make conclusion of all these 4 points. Pen it down on a piece of paper, then go to your parents and talk to them. And this is the best way to study yourself, to know yourself. And the best reason for this whole situation is to be a good friend with your parents. Yes, both of you have to be a good friend with each other. Your parents have to be friends with you, and you have to be friend with them. Be a good friend, be a loyal friend. And this is how you can solve this situation. And both of you have to understand each other. And this video was made just to make you feel relaxed and help you find your own self. And spend time with your own self. Let it be whatever you have. Don't stress yourself. Don't pressurize yourself. And be your own self. That's what this video wants to convey to you. And I hope I could do the same. I hope I could convey the same message to you. And I hope you could feel that. And if yes, make sure you comment your thoughts about this video. What do you think about this? And let me know if I missed any point in the comments. I'll read them. I'll reply to you guys. Okay. And if you want me to give shout out to you, for that you need to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and comment down below done. And I'm gonna pick your name to give shout out to you in my next video. And guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family. Let them also see this video. Let them also learn from this video. Let them also find their own self. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.